Welcome to English with Jim from beautiful, historic, and very sunny Guadalajara, Mexico. Today we're going to learn some phrasal verbs, and we're going to do that while taking you on a tour of some of Guadalajara's premier attractions. So, let's get at it. To get around downtown Guadalajara, I hopped on an electric buggy. Get around, to travel to different places, especially within a city or area. Hop on, to quickly get onto a vehicle like a bus, bike, or buggy in my case. November is a beautiful time to check out Guadalajara, as it's always sunny and not too hot. Now, check out does mean to leave a hotel at the end of your stay, but it also means to look at something with interest, to see what it is like, or to get information about it. Right now, I'm checking out one of the most amazing and beautiful churches in Guadalajara. Next, I set off to a nearby museum to look around and take in some of the local art. Set off to start a journey or trip to a place. Take in, to observe and fully experience something like art or a view. Next up is lunch at one of Guadalajara's most famous restaurants, LATA, which the lineup outside speaks to. Now, speaks to usually means to show or tell something, but in this context, speaks to means to indicate or be evidence of something. The restaurant is very popular, that's why there's a lineup. The lineup speaks to the restaurant's popularity. It's a little loud in here, so I'm gonna have to speak over the noise. I ordered some enchiladas with chicken and mole, which is a traditional Mexican dish. In Mexico, chips and salsa are usually offered before the main course. Some of the sauces can be quite spicy. Oh yeah, a little spicy, not too bad. Let's sneeze. Now for the main course, chicken enchiladas with mole. Very delicious. Oh, that's a big bite. The perfect level of spiciness. Wash it down with a little orange juice. All right, let's go. Next up, a little shopping. I want to pick up a souvenir to bring back to Canada. Pick up, to acquire or buy something. In the context of shopping, it means choosing and purchasing an item. Bring back, to carry or take something with you from one place to another. I want to bring back a souvenir from Mexico to Canada. It has to be something small though, because I don't have much room in my suitcase. Perfect. After a full but enjoyable day, it's time to wind down and relax with a cup of coffee. Wind down, to gradually relax or come to an end. In my case, the tour of Guadalajara is winding down. All right, that is it. That wraps it up. Hope you enjoyed the lesson and the tour through Guadalajara. If you liked it, please like and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Take care.